Alright guys, so for my second pickup while I've been out here, you know, I'm obsessed with Saint Laurent, I'm obsessed with Hedi Slimane, so obviously I was going to go check out the new Celine store that's out here in Paris, and when I went in, you know, everything is a little bit cheaper here than in the US, so I figured I'd pick up a couple, you know, staple pieces from my closet and just stuff that I can use every day. One of the main things I picked up was the Chelsea boot, the new one, and I was gonna show it in detail and just kind of show how it comes packaged up. So I'll start with the box and then we'll get into the boots. I'll put these here. Alright, so typically like old Hedi stuff from Saint Laurent obviously is still the same stuff that is now in stores. So the original Hedi stuff is all black Saint Laurent boxes, but now for his Celine collection, everything is coming in like these really nice, clean, white Celine boxes with like some detailing on the box. I think the Saint Laurent boxes also have that, like a little dip in the actual box. It's pretty standard. Let me open this up. Alright, so it's like a standard box. The only thing that I thought was really cool is the dust bags. Actually, they look like a reptile skin type thing, which I think he did with some of the sunglasses. Obviously it says Celine Paris, but it's like a really, really nice dust bag, and it's like silk, but it's like a animal snake skin print almost like a lizard maybe. Alright, so that's the box. Also comes with a second dust bag that you would put the suede boots in, I guess, for extra protection also. Alright, so I'll just do one boot. It's a little bit easier to show. So this is the new boot. This is the new, I don't have the specific name. I'll get the name and I'll put it in the description of the video. So obviously you guys will click on it, but there's a new Chelsea boot. The heel is not as big as a Wyatt boot, which I like. It's kind of, you know, gives it a little bit of a different look when you're wearing it. And it's also tonal. It's one full color. Like on the other Hedi, on the Hedi Wyatt Chelsea boot, which is the clean version, the heel is, I think, 45 millimeters in height. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure it's 45. This one's slightly lower. Also, it kind of resembles like what they call a Cuban heel, a Cuban boot. The front of the boot is more pointed, and I don't know, overall it's just like super, super clean. Quality of the boot, this I will say, the pairs that I've seen in the US are not as high quality as this pair that I picked up out here in Paris. The overall shape of the boot, the thickness and heft of the boot itself is way better this pair out here in Paris than the pairs that I've seen in New York. So I don't know if that's a production thing. I don't know if maybe because they're manufactured out here or in Italy and it's closer, maybe they're getting better pairs. I don't know. So that's just me, but I've seen both the New York store's pairs, the Paris pair. Obviously I went with the pair I found out here. It was cheaper for me also, but the overall quality of the boot here is way better. So more details. It's very similar to the Saint Laurent boot. So Celine Paris at the bottom, size. So I have on me that I brought to Paris my 2014 Wyatt boot in the, I think this is like the nut or ochre color. So mine's are kind of dirty, but you can see the resemblance, how it's just like very clean. Obviously it's not a gold stamp. This one is more of like an embossed, etched embroidery at the bottom, where it just shows the size and all that. True to size. I didn't size down or anything. But yeah, I've been wearing this boot for the last like 5-6 days. Super comfortable. Super cool boot. And yeah, I love it. I was looking at a couple other pairs of boots. There's a Berlin boot also that he did. I think it's cool. You know, it has the exposed zip like how Saint Laurent Fall Winter 13 had. But I didn't feel like it really fit into like daily wear. Excuse me. I didn't feel like it fit into like daily wear or anything like that. So I didn't really feel like it was worth the investment or, you know, long term. We'll see in the future. But for right now, I feel like this. And I also picked up a pair of the skinny denim. So honestly, it was worth it. I don't think for right now I need any of the other pieces other than the teddy jacket. I think the teddy jacket's sick, but yeah, the boots are sick. Definitely picked them up. I paid less than the US for this because back home these are $9.95 plus tax, so over $1,000. Out here I got the boots and the denim for I believe $1,100. Yeah, something like that after VAT. So I saved a lot of money. The denim back home is probably gonna run me like $600 plus tax. These would have been over $1,000 already, so I saved a whole lot. So that's my video. That's my opinion on the new Celine Heady Chelsea boot. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, comment below, DM me on Instagram if you guys ever have any questions or anything about anything I review, and stay tuned to the next video. Later, guys.